How to redeem YouTube Premium code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem YouTube Premium code. So let's get started. First step is open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for YouTube Premium Redeem. After you search for that, you'll find this YouTube's website. This is basically youtube.com/redeem. You can tap on this. Now before we move on with this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's continue. Head over to this website and enter your code here. And after you enter the code, tap on next. So it's basically that simple, guys. After you tap on next, you will be able to simply, redeem the code as I said and start using YouTube Premium. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.